Hello students. The question says the discrete random variable x has the following probability distribution. So when x is 1, so its probability of occurrence is 0.3. When it's 3, so it's A. When it's 5, so the probability of this occurrence is B. And when it's 7, so the probability is 0.25. So the first question asks, write down an equation satisfied by A and B. So for the first question, we know that the sum of all the probability values should be 1. The probability values, if we add all of them, it should be 1. It cannot be greater than or less than 1. So 0.3 plus A plus B plus 0.25 should be equal to 1. So A plus B equals to 1 minus 0.55, which is equals to 0.45. So A plus B equals to 0.45. That's the answer for the first part of the question. Now, the second part of the question says, given that the expected values for Ex is known as expected value. So the formula for expected value Ex is summation of P into X. That means I have to multiply the probability value with the given X value and keep on adding. So P into X, that means 0.3 into 1 plus A into 3 plus B into 5 plus 0.25 into 7. That's the expected value, and in the problem they have given that the expected value is 4. That means this equals to 4. So that means 0.3 plus 3A plus 5B plus 0.7 into 0.25 is equals to 4. So if I solve this out, so this is one of the equations which I'll be getting. So 3A plus 5B equals to 4 minus 0.3 minus 0.25 into 7. So one of my equations is this, which I've already got, and the second equation is this. So if I solve for A and B simultaneously, so the value of A that we get is 0.15 and the value of B is 0.3. That's the answer for the second part of the question. Thank you, students.